Much of my life before becoming a plastic surgeon was spent becoming a plastic surgeon. So it's particularly fulfilling and rewarding now being able to do what I do for a profession, to look back on the road that required many years of study, many years of surgical training, and having the ability to cultivate that over the years has been a great fulfillment for me. I think what I am most grateful for in life is my family, my health, and ultimately that I get to do what I love doing for a living. Outside of work is spending time with my children, to enjoy them with my wife while they're young, because they do grow so quickly. That helps reinvigorate me and allows me to come back with renewed energy and enthusiasm to do what I love to do, which is plastic surgery. A good day for me outside of work starts with seeing my wife and hearing my children laughing and playing in their bedroom, seeing the special relationship that they have with each other. My children, like me, have taken an interest in classical piano as well as in tennis and soccer. And it's been really rewarding to see them over the years grow and learn. That truly is the best gift that I can receive, is seeing them enjoy what they're doing and become good at it. One of my lifetime passions has been playing piano. Earlier in my life, I was involved in competition and had traveled to give performances in many different cities. And classical piano is something that requires a great amount of technical skill, manual dexterity, and commitment to detail. And these are all important aspects of plastic surgery. Something that is a bit of a recreational hobby for me is cooking. I come from a family that is both Italian and Middle Eastern. So I have learned over the years to cook a variety of cuisines, and I do think there are some similarities between cooking and surgery. And it's something that is a great hobby for me and something I enjoy doing very much. Earlier in life, I played a lot of sports: tennis, basketball, swimming, to name a few. But as time has gone on and my work and my family life take up more of my time, I'd say greatest joy in exercise comes from seeing the beautiful skyline of Chicago on a summer day running at the lake. I think my biggest motivator in life is to just become better as a man and as a surgeon. I'm continually trying to strive for excellence. I analyze my professional career, my professional results, and constantly am trying to evolve and become better. I also try to be an inspiration for the people around me, particularly my children, so that they can see that what I believe is important in life is hard work and dedication to try to be the best that you can become for the greater good of the community.